Magic has the magic mystery sound, Carol.
Oh,
At
yes.
the moment.
I'm good at these things.
Harriet and I have been doing it for the last few weeks. Well, believe me, the rest of the nation isn't either because nobody's got it right yet.
Okay.
That's a gas, and it is. It's almost like somebody's stirring a spoon, and there's like bubbles in it or something. In a liquid. Yeah. But it's not.
Harriet and I actually don't know. We just go to Alex, our producer. Anything? No. Okay.
Well, we don't know what it is.
Yeah, so we don't
Producer
know.
Alex in the corner, she knows what it is. Right, so you're like, Ronan also does an impression of it that sounds nothing like it.
Mine's better than yours. Mine's so much better
Carol's
than yours.
is better than yours.
I do sounds all morning. You should listen from 6 because I make some very good. I'm a human beatbox.